What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today, my friends. So on the agenda today, guys, we're going to do a market update. We're going to talk about Microsoft earnings and the update on the small account challenge and just walk through everything. We are also doing the lifetime giveaway on the Twitter today. So this is going to be a fun stream. If you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. All right. So if you haven't commented on this giveaway, here's your chance to comment on this one, guys. So I'm going to be picking a winner from the comments, and I'm going to announce them at the end of the stream. I'm going to announce the winner. Okay, so feel free to comment on there. But this is just highlighting one of the trades. So this is new videos here with me recording my screen. And let me just go ahead and walk you through this trade. I also posted this on the YouTube, but just want to give you a sense and a feel of what it feels like to actually trade the 618 Fibonacci. And this, I just want to stop. I'm going to pause at different spots so I can walk you guys through. But a lot of the times when you get filled, it's not always going to drop right away. So that's why you need to have a stop loss in place. Okay. So sometimes you're going to fill, you're going to go sideways, you're going to be red. So you see in this case here, shorting on the 618, and then when it's popping up there, it's going red. But you have your stop loss to protect you. And then we start to turn the corner around here, guys. And from here, these are multiple scalping targets on the way down. If you choose to scalp, if you want to hit it with options, that's a good idea is to scalp because of the decay. And then from there, you could see a lot of times we can retest the levels. Okay, so it's important to understand if you're going to scalp it or if you're going to hold all the way through. And then finally, guys, here eventually we have that breakdown right here, which closes right into profits into the new low of the day. And right when we turn the corner with these wicks, you could see that the shorts are building pressure, and then there's the final flush through. Okay, so I really hope you guys enjoyed that clip there. So I posted that on the Twitter, and I want to do a giveaway to just really get some awareness on that. Because a lot of people talk about trading, but not a lot of people actually trade. Okay, so it's important for me to show you guys that. So hit me with a 1 if you think that's a good idea and you get some value from that. Can you provide a link to your video that shows the fib number set up in Tradingview? Yeah, so there it's on my website, tradingwars.com, and you'll see it on the Fibonacci section. Okay. All right. So let's talk about what's been going on this week so far. Okay. And I'm gonna just go ahead here, and I'm gonna walk you guys through. So from a swing trade perspective, I locked in $133.10 on a trailing stop loss that I got taken out. So I still managed to make a little bit of profits on my short trade, which I'm going to walk you through right now again. So on Sunday, you could see that we had that gap up, and right off the bat, overnight, guys, this was around 2 or 3 in the morning. We had this 618. If I come from high to low right there, we had that 618, 786 rejection, which crushed straight into Monday morning. So obviously I did not take that short because I was sleeping and I didn't see the setup, but that was a very tight range with a nice big breakdown. So what I did do from there, guys, is I took our last significant anchor, which was right up here, and I took the Fibonacci from the high going into the low, okay, for Monday. All right, I'm going to double click and just put on the 618. And I went short right here on the 618. And as we started to push down, I was up about $1,300, which is about a 1-to-1 risk to reward. And I just trailed the high of this candle because I knew with the earning seasons and stuff, things can get really volatile. So if we did turn the corner right here, like we did today, I wanted to get out. So I was able to lock in $130 in profit. Not a lot of money, but still something. And just wanted to show you guys. So this was the dragon setup we had drawn up. So this is the exact setup that I was talking about here. And I gave my alerts and everything like that in the Fibonacci Society for the dragon pattern. And visually speaking, this dragon pattern looks like this. Here's our high to our low, pullback, final low, and then 618 right there. All right. So hit me with a 10 if that makes sense so far. All right. So that's what I ended up doing. And, rather safe than sorry there. Then today we had this beautiful pullback right here, guys. And you're going to watch this. And you're going to be like, wow, this is wild, because check this out, guys. From low to high right there, guys, I missed the 618 by just a tiny amount. And I was a little bit upset on that trade because it did break into new highs, and that would have been a really nice profitable trade. I definitely would have been at break even at the very least. So missed that by a few points. I had my order waiting right there, as you can see in the Discord today under the Dragon setups. We had our anchors right here waiting. We had our long entry waiting. I even had some options on SPY waiting to get filled. So there were so many things that I was just waiting for that dip, guys, and it just did not touch the level. And that happens sometimes. A lot of front running, etc. So what I'm doing now is I just went ahead and I'm doing the bigger picture setup. Okay, so the bigger picture setup is low to high like this, and I am waiting for the 618 retest if we have one. Okay, hit me with a 10 if that makes sense. The short is still in play. If we come on the other side, you could see that we never broke out of the swing high. We never broke out of the swing low. So I'd say both sides are still fair game. Okay. All right. So moving on to Microsoft, $5,556 after hours for me. Microsoft, guys, you know, for those who've been following me for a long time, that is my favorite long-term holding. And I just wanted to point out here, and I want to congratulate everyone in the Discord. We bought Microsoft back here, guys, in 2022, September 26th, right around $240 a share. And right now, my friends, let me pull up the chart. So after hours, Microsoft, I think it tagged, what did it tag after hours? Can't see it on TradingView, but I think it tagged 350 after hours. Am I right, guys? What do you, let me check the broker. Let's see, guys. So right now it's sitting at 343. The high was right around 352, actually, guys. Okay. So that is a wild move. So there's going to be a massive gap on the chart for Microsoft tomorrow. And I'm just going to enjoy those gains. I worked a long time to build a good position with Microsoft. So I'm very happy for that. And just want to recap what that looks like. So how we're able to get that bottom there. Thanks, Popcorn, brother. Appreciate you. So how we're able to get this low, take our Fibonacci from the high to the low like this, and then move one more anchor. Okay. Double click right here and put on the full extensions. And you can see, guys, we were right here on that 272. And then right in this area, I started to see this pattern. So we had the Holy Grail and we had the Nirvana. So we had two really strong reversal patterns. And then finally we had this Holy Grail that was really showing me the change in momentum for the bulls. And you could see, obviously, this chart was very long-term bullish. So these pullbacks were all buying opportunities. And that's how I use the fibs on the bigger time frames to invest. All right, guys. All right. Update on the small account challenge. So we took one MNQ, okay, on the gap up. So right here on this little gap, where's the gap? The gap is over here. Let me find Sunday, guys. Friday. There it is. So right here on this gap, the Sunday gap, I was able to go long right here. So the reason I did that was the matching of the 618 right here. So I didn't get the exact 618 level. I wish I did, but I didn't get the exact level. So I just got in a little bit above that level. And currently that small account, that one micro contract is up $250. And it only takes probably about $1,000 of cash to hold that. So, you know, already a 25% return on that one. Hit me with a 10 if that's awesome. All right, guys. All right, so that's pretty much it. So I'm looking forward to this pullback coming in here for the rest of the week. We're going to see what happens. We also have this swing high up here that needs to break for the bears. Really, really nice setup here. So we got Microsoft earnings out of the way. We still have Amazon. We still have a few more of them coming up, guys. Okay. So hit me with a 1 if you've already left your comment on this post. You could either leave it on this post or you could leave it on this one as well. Either one is fine. And I'm actually going to, when I end the video, I'm going to put the name of the winner their Twitter name. I'm going to put it on the top of the video so that you guys can go ahead and just DM me if you're the winner with that account, and I'll get you your lifetime access to the Fib Society. All right, guys. So shaping up, we have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and I really want to hit it hard at the end of the week. I want to make, I'm already going to have a big, huge increase in my account from Microsoft, but I want to leverage those gains and I want to utilize that capital to make even more money. All right. Because that's what you got to do. When you're on top, guys, you got to keep pushing because you don't know when you're going to catch another wave. All right. And when you're at the bottom, you just got to keep fighting. So that's very, very important. All right, guys, check me out at tradingwars.com. If you want to come trade live with us every single day, you can sign up right here on the main page for the SPY VIP. Or if you want lifetime access to the Fib Society, I'm doing a promo right now. You can get the amazing Power of 618 Fibonacci book with lifetime access to the Fib Society. Those are the exclusive swings. This book is my best of all time here, guys. Everything in detail, step by step with the Fibs, plus my broker statements and everything and videos, okay? Hey, thanks for your time. And on the way out, guys, just comment what you want to see more of from me. I'm very interested. Do you like market updates? Do you like strategies? Do you like risk management? Do you like psychology? If you can just comment when I end the broadcast, let me know what you're thinking about these days, guys. And I'd really love to know so I can just adjust the content accordingly. Thank you so much for your time. Winner will be announced right after this. So make sure you look at the comments on the YouTube. Thanks for your time and see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Take care.